I grew up watching cowboy movies and tales of the old Wild West on television over the weekend with my dad. I can't help thinking about those old black and white films whenever I think of San Francisco or California in general. Whenever I think of visiting San Francisco, there is a part of me that visualizes the old city of San Francisco, long before the 1906 earthquake, or shortly before. If you share my vision of a Wild West of San Francisco, or wonder what it would have been like to walk the old streets, maybe one of these museums will help you get a taste of the right West without the outbuildings, the one thing I could never really understand. Even though you can deal with a world without internal plumbing, the idea of enjoying the best of the past while still experiencing the comfort of modern existence is very appealing to me. That said, the first museum on my list is an open-air museum known as the Gold Rush Trail. Walking the Gold Rush Trail is following in the footsteps of history. Even if it's not a museum full of relics from the past, if you close your eyes and listen carefully, you may be able to hear yesterday's ghosts as they tell the story of how this fair city started and what it has become today. The next point of interest is the Society of California Pioneers. The Society offers not only a museum, but also a library that is open to the public and features programs that focus on California. If you need snapshots of the vibrant history of California and San Francisco, this is an excellent place to start your search. If you can't find what you're looking for in the museum, check the library and see if they have something to quench your thirst for historical knowledge. The Museum of the City of San Francisco is next on my list of places that offer a glimpse into the past of this phenomenal city. If you did not find what you were looking for in the first two stops, perhaps this museum will provide the answers, or just the moment you are looking for. This is by far my favorite to learn about San Francisco's history specifically. With exhibitions dedicated to events like the Gold Rush, the 1906 earthquake, and the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge, there is no doubt that you are receiving the history of this city, not the state or the country. I think there is a lot to be said about the story and how it always seems to have such a profound effect on the future. If you can visit this museum, I would certainly recommend it above most others in the area for an authentic San Francisco setting. The history of any city is a vital ingredient in making that city the success or failure it has become. Not only events in the history of cities have a significant impact on the future of a town, but also the people of the city. It is the people of any city that recover, rebuild and remain, or pack and leave. Isn't it amazing that we have the opportunity to learn about these great people?